Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today I'm going to show you how to resolve a Hyperflash situation that you might get when you install a set of LED turn signals. There's two ways to do it. One is through the bike itself. You change settings in there, and sometimes that doesn't always work, and we have to install our CAN bus harness. Sometimes you just have to install this and it works, but we're going to show you how to do it through the bike, and then if it doesn't work, we install this and do it through the bike again and make it work. So what is Hyperflash? What we're talking about is when your turn signal is flashing a lot faster than stock. If you like it like this, you can leave it like that. It's not a big deal. Some people just want it a little slower than that. So we're going to put it back to stock. So what you need to do is you're going to hold down your info button over here on the left handlebar, and you're going to turn the ignition on, and you're going to wait until it says type on there. Now we know we're on type 1. We know that type 1 is flashing fast, so we're going to hit the info again. We end up on type 2. Hold the info button down until you get your tripometer back. Then we can try our turn signal, and we can see that it's still flashing fast. So now we want to move to the next one. You need to shut the bike off, hold the info button, turn it on. I'm going to wait. Okay, go to 3, hold it down. We'll try that one. It's still flashing fast. Do it again. And it's still flashing fast. Still going fast. So now we're going to put our harness in, and we're going to try it again. All right, so now to install our harness, we're going to attach the harness there, and this is going to go in between. So you want to make sure you're going black to black, and then white will go to whatever color this is. In this case, it's yellow. And then on this end, same thing. We're going to go black to black. And here, this wire is blue. We're going to put the white wire to the blue wire. Now, you don't know which turn signal this is going to. If you go and hit your left turn signal and your right one goes, you just need to swap these two wires that way and you'll be fine. So, again, we're going to go black to black, and white to white. Black to black, and white to yellow. Okay, so we're going to try that out now. All right, so now, before we ended up on setting 5, so we're just going to try that out and see. Well, you can see right there, setting 5 is working already. But just to try it out, we're going to see if we went back to setting 1. Where would we be? See, 1 would still be going fast. So even with the harness in there, you still got to check which setting you're on. Do that again. Setting 2 went slow. So you're going to go through there and find the setting that you're happy with and then leave it there.